Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil, a red crayon, and a blue crayon. Please pause the video and take out your materials. Our first word is dish. D-I-sh, dish. Please write dish with your pencil. D-I-sh, dish. Please underline the SH digraph. Shh. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel. I. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. D, S, H, dish. Our next word is champ. Ch-a-m-p, champ. With your pencil, write champ. Ch-a-m-p, champ. Please underline the CH digraph. Ch. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in champ. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. Champ. Our next word is shelf. Sh-e-l-f, shelf. Please write shelf. Sh-e-l-f, shelf. Please underline the SH digraph. Sh. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in shelf. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. Shelf. Our next word is chug. Ch-a-g, chug. With your pencil, write chug. Ch-a-g, chug. Please underline the CH digraph. Ch. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in chug. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. Chug. Our next word is shop. Sh-a-p, shop. With your pencil, write shop. Sh-a-p, shop. Please underline the SH digraph. With your red crayon, trace the vowel in shop. Ah. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. Shop. Our next word is chin. Ch-i-n, chin. With your pencil, write chin. Ch-i-n, chin. Please underline the CH digraph. Ch. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel I. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. chin. Our next word is smash. Smash. With your pencil, write smash. Smash. Please underline the SH digraph. With your red crayon, trace the vowel in smash. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. Smash. Our next word is chat. Chat. With your pencil, write chat. Chat. Please underline the CH digraph. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in chat. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. Chat. Our next word is flush. Flush. With your pencil, write flush. Flush. With your pencil, please underline the SH digraph. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in flush. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. Flush. Our next word is chest. Chest. With your pencil, write chest. Chest. Please underline the CH digraph. With your red crayon, trace the vowel. Blue crayon, please trace your consonants. Chest. All right, my friends, on this side of the paper, you are going to need a blue crayon and a yellow crayon. Please gather your materials. We are going to use our blue crayon today when we hear the sh sound. If we do not hear the sh sound, so no sh, we will color it yellow. My first picture is a picture of a whale. Whale. Do you hear the sound sh in whale? Nope. So we are going to color it yellow. And we're going to color fast. It doesn't need to be nice. Just a quick color will do. Next picture, we have a shell. Do you hear the sh sound in shell? Yes, we do. So we're going to color it blue because we hear sh. Next is a hat. Do you hear sh in hat? No. So we are going to color it yellow. Next picture is of a sheep. Do you hear sh in sheep? Yes. So we color it blue. Next, we have a picture of a book. Do you hear sh in book? No, so color it yellow. Then we have a fish. Do you hear sh in fish? Yes, we do. So we're going to color it blue. Next picture is a brush. Do you hear sh in brush? Yes, we do. So we're going to color it blue. Next picture is of an umbrella. Do you hear sh in umbrella? No. So we're going to color it yellow. Next picture is a pair of shorts. Do you hear sh in shorts? Yes, so we're going to color it blue. Next, we have a cloud. Do you hear sh in cloud? No. So we color it yellow. Next, we have cheese. Do you hear sh in cheese? Cheese? Nope. So we're going to color it yellow. Next, we have a shoe. Do you hear sh in shoe? Yes. So we're going to color it blue. Next picture is of a slide. Do you hear sh in slide? Nope. So we're going to color it yellow. Next, we have a picture of a shark. Do you hear sh in shark? Yes. So we're going to color it blue. Next, we have a picture of a mushroom. Do you hear sh in mushroom? Yes. So we're going to color it blue. Next, we have a picture of a chair. Chair. Do you hear sh in chair? Nope. So we're going to color it yellow. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.